Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with ZIPPYDOC. In this video, we will show how to use the split task in ZIPPYDOC. Split can be used to split the contents of a column into multiple columns. The split can be introduced for punctuations or for blank spaces. The dataset we are using for this example contains sales information for a sporting goods company. Each row of this table is a sales entry that contains details about the date of purchase, region, product category, and price. In this example, we want to split the invoice column and create a column with only numerical values. In order to get started, we need to add the data table to a ZIPPYDOC flow. We have explained how to do this in a previous video. Please check it out if you would like to know how to do it. In this case, we have already added the table to a flow. We then add the split task to the flow. We do this by clicking the Select Task button and choosing the split task from the available list of options. The task has now been added to the flow, and we can update the description of the task. It's always a good idea to briefly describe what a task is doing. In this case, we'll type in numerical invoice value. We can then start entering the parameters by clicking the Parameter tab. The first pane in the Parameter tab is Select Input Table. In this case, we will select Data. In Column to Split, we will select Invoice. The next pane is Select Options. In Split Method, we will select Standard. In Split Type, we will select Split to Columns, and in Split Delimiter, we'll select Punctuation. This will split the values in the column every time a cell contains a punctuation. Next is the Define Output Table pane. In the Table Name field, we'll select Custom, and in Output Table Name, we'll type Output. We will leave the other fields unchanged. And now we can run this task. Once the task has been executed, a new output table will be generated. We can see that ZIPPYDOC has created a new tab named Output. This table contains two new columns for the split values. Of these, the second column contains all the numerical values of the invoices. Split is a very useful tool for data cleanup. It can be used to split values in all places which have punctuation, or a white space, or a line break, or a tab. Furthermore, the tool can be used to manage data in multiple columns at the same time. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video series for ZIPPYDOC. We will see you in the next video.